All right. This really teased me off.
Ooh. Let's try that again. I'll keep recording.
Where'd it go?
It what? It bought it like you.
Snuffed?
It's snuffed. Yeah, you know.
That's what happens when I go back. Like
Yeah.
you told me.
Just try setting up, not leaning back, but putting it forward like this, so it address. Actually, go that with your wrist flat.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Take two.
Nice.